Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store or iTunes Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of message that your payment method was declined, so let's see how can you easily fix that. You just have to go back from here and there are some simple steps. So the very first is that you have to open your settings app here. You have to refresh your network settings if you have a stable network connection. If you don't have, try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then tap on your Apple ID here. Select payment and shipping option and delete your payment method from here. Once you have deleted your payment method, you just have to go back, open your App Store here. Tap on the profile option in the top right corner. Tap on your Apple ID here. Select the country or region option, and from here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. And once you have selected your country or region, just select the continue option here, then tap on the green in the top right corner, and here you have to add your payment method. So you have to add your payment method again. You can re-add your old payment method or you can add a new one here. After that you have to add your billing address, your phone number, your name. Then tap on done option in the top right corner, and after doing that your payment method will be updated. So if there is any issue with the payment method, it will be fixed in this app. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, you have to open your app store or you have to open your Apple Store app. If you can't find it, you can easily install it from your app store or you can use Apple Store app. So select the subscription or purchases option, select enable or unable to purchase option here, and here select them get more help, select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.